New India Assurance Company Limited, a company spread across the remotest corners of the country. A company that binds the nation. New India Assurance Company Limited came into existence in the year 1919 under the leadership of Sir Dorabji Tata. With its headquarters in Mumbai, it has a strong presence in 28 countries. For more than 4 decades, it has maintained a leadership position in the business of general insurance.
New India Assurance Company is an iconic company in general insurance industry. And since 1919, now we have already traveled 98 years. And year 1999, we are going to complete our centenary also. It was the largest insurance company since then. Afterwards, nationalization happened in 1973, when many companies were merged together and 4 companies were floated by government. Then also we were number 1 company. And today, when the industry is opened up, more private companies have come now. 31 companies are there now in general insurance industry, and still we are number 1. So this is an iconic company.
The insurance industry is growing at a blistering pace as India is an underinsured country, and as market leaders, NIA is growing at an even faster pace.
Few years back, before 2008, we had been using decentralized architecture because that time wide area network was not that very common. So there used to be somebody who is to manage the server, there is somebody to load the patch, there is somebody there to take the backup or so. So that kind of culture was there for quite some time in the company. Our company, being largest company, also has to grow. And then the data center which we had, it was not up to the standard, world standard or so. So we decided to really go for a major transformation, keeping in mind what is required 5 years hence, the kind of growth which we are seeing in the market. And finally today, as we are using new infrastructure, the entire throughput has really become fantastic. Users are very happy with the speed, so business will not face any issue and will really do much better.
Being market leaders requires constant innovation and upgradation, and NIA aced this test. With offices in remote parts of the country, connectivity was a major problem. The branches could not connect to their central core application that would ensure efficient operations.
In fact, if I look behind, a year back, our system was not that fast. Connectivity was a big issue. Every day or every alternate day, we had suffered a loss due to connection failure. Nowadays, that is not there. It is a significant change after the introduction of SIFI.
NIA decided to meet the challenge and get a secondary link provider to bolster its connectivity. While many giants of the industry were contesting for this opportunity, after a stringent tendering process, SIFI was selected for this task.
Just because of IT, we have given portal facility to our agent, dealers and some customers so that they can renew or issue policy at their level on real-time basis.
SIFI provided a host of services that streamlined the operations at NIA. It brought them secondary MPLS connectivity to ensure that there is no break even if the primary MPLS connection fails, a data center for storing their core application, a disaster recovery site that works as a backup for the DC. A near disaster recovery site that stores real-time database of DC so that there is no data loss for NIA. Branch customer premises equipment for connectivity. Hardware security module for safeguarding and managing digital keys for strong authentication. All these ensured seamless uptime of the branch offices and also allowed remote micro offices to get connected.
It is much lesser than earlier. Our BSS Ludhiana is always ready to help us in managing IT infrastructure. In today's era, business without IT infra is like mouth without teeth. The whole operation of operating office and customer satisfaction lies on the backbone of IT. Now we are more dedicated towards achieving higher customer satisfaction, retaining of customer and able to foster healthy culture and environment in our office.
Technology is changing the way NIA works, and SIFI brought with it not just the technology but also its promise of excellence and attitude of problem solving in the areas of connectivity, cloud, application services and the like.
SIFI has really given impetus to us when it was introduced by providing internet connectivity. Through emails, we are able to communicate very quickly and getting replies also from our customers, and we are able to deliver the goods in a very satisfactory manner to our customer clienteles.
New India Assurance Company Limited has connected India, and lending support all the way is SIFI.
We find that the company is a professionally driven company, technology driven company. Any one call for any problem, we get people from SIFI and finally we discuss it out and suss it out, and I hope we'll be in a position to work for a longer period with SIFI.